A business case study is done to evaluate an idea or proposal by looking at various options and then recommending the best option. A business case document is the output of this effort, and its purpose is to present the result of analysis and recommended option, justify the investment, and ask for approval. Once approved, this document becomes the reference point for the project. It is the key input to the develop project charter process. There has to be a business need before work can start on the business case. So a needs assessment is done to see if there actually is a business need that is aligned with strategic goals of the organization, or if there are issues that need to be fixed or an opportunity that can be availed. It is also valuable to identify the impacted stakeholders and any stakeholders that are maybe the driving force behind the proposal, or even they help identify the business need. The result of this assessment is provided in the business case. I have seen this under the titles needs assessment, business need, background information, and business justification. Besides the business need, there is other information that will be in the business case. The list of strategic goals and objectives that the business case is aligned with, gap analysis showing the current state and future state and what's missing in between these, known risks at this stage, what will be the critical success factors, the ones that if those are not met, the business benefits cannot be realized, various options and approaches considered, the criteria used for analyzing those options, the cost-benefit analysis of the top few options, the recommended option with expected cost, the assumptions and constraints, and how success will be measured. Let us talk about the criteria a little bit. Criteria consist of a list of factors against which various options were analyzed and ranked. There are some factors that are required to be met. They usually are the key success factors. Then factors that are desired to be fulfilled as they help in achieving the business benefits. And factors that are optional. Think of these as nice to have. Factors that can push an option above the other. I have mentioned that options are evaluated. What are those options? What approaches can be taken to identify the options? First, the option of doing nothing, business as usual. If this option is the recommended option, that it means the project is not being recommended. Second, the option of patchwork. Do the minimum work to address the business need. This option focuses only on the required or key success criteria. If a problem is to be fixed, it just does the bare minimum to fix the issue. Could be partly, could be temporary, but for some time. Third, the option of best solution. This is an option that not only fulfills the required criteria but also meets the desired criteria and may even have some optional criteria fulfilled. So the business case document justifies the investment in the project, recommends the option, and provides the platform to measure the project's success.